So in this session, we will see how to get the domain detail and the fabric. So I'll open a script from the GitHub, and this is the script, and it will help you to show you the domain which is configured in the ACI fabric. So I'm running this script. And now it will show us the output. So here you can see there are two domains are configured. So first one is the physical domain and the second one is L3 external domain. So in this way you can use this script to get all the domains are configured in the ACI fabric.